Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Whimsy Stamps Interactive Slimline Chicken Coop die set. This die set includes 11 total dies. It cuts out 27 pieces. You're going to have lots of options with this for interactive fun cards. Here's a look at how the die arrives to you. And I'm going to walk you through piece by piece, starting with the largest die in the set, the chicken coop. I love that this cuts one piece because I can use it as is, or I can add all the details or some of the details. It's completely what I want. The door opens for a fun interactive element. The die embosses that fold line for the door and that wood grain detail. So I'm going to get rid of that center piece. We don't need that. I'm going to show you how this all goes together. So we have this long piece here. You can see that the die that cuts this piece actually embosses that nice wood grain on it, and it goes right across the top of the chicken coop. And this piece cuts out the chicken wire, as you can see here. Now you have a few options with this. You can place the wire on the back side of the coop and inlay the frame over it, or you can attach the frame to the wire using your favorite adhesives and then trim the excess from that chicken wire piece and hinge it to open and close. Now the die set comes with 3 straw nests. Use color cardstock and ink blending, or you could use white cardstock and color the straw with lots of detail. Of course, we need something for our chickens to roost on, perches in 2 sides, and a ladder. Now I want to point this one thing out that I absolutely love about this set. Notice how this is one die, but it cuts out 3 different pieces. That means there's less chance of me losing these, like if they're individual pieces. If you're like me, I sometimes lose my tiny little dies and then find them a week or a month later. So also with this set, you're going to see 2 more dies that cut out several pieces, a pitchfork, hinges, and handles, with a smaller die there cutting out a latch and lock for the coop. And we can't have a chicken coop without eggs and a hatching chick. This release has 2 fun stamp sets and coordinating outline dies that go great with the interactive Slimline Chicken Coop. I paired the new What the Cluck images and sentiments with my coop here. I paired a few of the images from the Butt Nugget stamps and outline dies with the chicken coop to create this fun shaker card. And lastly, I used the What the Cluck sentiments along with the chicken coop die set for my final card. Now for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Everything is linked directly below for you. Thanks for joining. We hope you'll ring that bell to be notified when new content's added to the channel. And until next time, take care.